In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import, export, and organize contacts. First, sign in to your HubSpot account and head to the CRM. Open Contacts so you can see your contact list. To bring new people in, click Add Contacts, then choose Import. In this example, select Import Data and pick Quick Import for contacts only. Choose the file from your computer. A CSV with clear column headers like email, first name, and last name works best. Click Next. Review the field mappings HubSpot suggests, and make sure each column lines up with the correct property. If something doesn't match, adjust it so your data lands in the right place. Click Next again. Check the compliance box to confirm you have permission to store and use this data, and then finish import. You'll see a confirmation message once it's done, and your new contacts will appear in the list. Now let's export contacts. Go back to the Contacts view and click Export. You can export a subset or all contacts. We'll choose all contacts in this example. Confirm the format you prefer and click Export. HubSpot will prepare the file for download or share it via your usual export delivery method. This is helpful for reporting, backups, or sharing a clean list with another team. Next, we'll organize your list using filters and a quick bulk update. In Contacts, open Advanced Filters and click Add Filter. Search for the property called Lead Status. Lead status tracks where a contact is in your process, such as new, open, in progress, and so on. Select Open for this example. HubSpot will now show only contacts currently marked as open. To update them, click the checkbox at the top of the table beside Name to select the filtered results. Click More, then Edit. In the bulk editor, choose the property you want to change, which is lead status in this example. Set it to In Progress. This kind of bulk update is great for keeping your pipeline tidy, making sure your team knows which contacts are actively being worked and which are still waiting. When you're ready, click Update. HubSpot will apply the change across all selected contacts, and your list will reflect the new status immediately. That's it. You imported new contacts, exported your list, and organized your database by cleaning up lead statuses. Keeping your data accurate and segmented like this makes follow-ups faster and reporting more reliable. Thanks for watching, and subscribe for more.